Hey guys, in today's video I'll be installing a wig from Firstklasshairstore. It is an 18 inches frontal wig and the quality is giving everything. The lace is thin, the hair looks so good, and it has a strong elastic adjustable band at the back. So let's get right into it. First things first, you want to use your lace tint. If you don't have a lace tint, you can use makeup. I use a shade darker than I am because I feel like it gives a nice scalp look. Step 2 is the bald cap method. A lot of people don't do this method because it actually takes time. But if you want that install to be giving scalp, you gotta do it. Just to introduce myself, I'm Chiagozie, the greatest wig designer of all time. And this is my first ever YouTube video. What you'll be expecting will be a lot of hairstyling videos, a lot of beauty content, a lot of wig vlogs, and all of that. So please hit the subscribe button. Let's get back to that install. I use Love Beauty lace glue for the bald cap. Traditionally, people use spray glue, but as soon as you try this method, you're not going back. It holds the cap without so much stress. You want to make sure that you apply the glue all around your hairline and spread it out evenly. You can allow that glue to air dry or you blow dry on cool air. Don't forget, you blow dry on cool air. Make sure to check if the glue is properly dried before cutting off that excess cap. And make sure the scissors you're using is quite sharp because the cap is stretchy. So if the scissors is not sharp, you'll just be, wasting a lot of time. I do an extra layer of glue to make sure that that cap is sitting down flat and secure. And also I cut that ear tabs. I cut the ear tabs of the wig last because I want it to be, the aim of installing is to make everything you're doing secure and strong. So I think that should be a reminder for you. Everything you're doing while installing should make that install to last longer. Not gonna lie, this wig is giving everything that is meant to give. This next part is pretty important because some of these factory wigs, they come with the ear tabs sewn to the back of the cap. So if you look closely, the ear tab of that wig, which is meant to be resting on your ear, is sewn to the back. So the simple way to solve this issue is just to separate the wig cap from the frontal. Just use the scissors to separate the wig cap from the frontal. When you wear it now, you see that it lays perfectly along your ears, not going back. It's just straight along your ear. That is how it's meant to be. So if your ear tabs are sewn on the wig cap, please use the scissors to cut it. It does not destroy your wig whatsoever. Cutting off that excess lace in front of the lace makes your install way better and way organized. Cut off that lace. The most important thing to know when gluing down is to make sure that you spread that glue evenly. Make sure that there are no patches or packs of glue. Make sure you spread that glue evenly if you don't want a whitish cast on your frontal. So make sure you spread that glue evenly. Use that rattle comb and spread that glue evenly. Make sure you spread that glue evenly. When you're placing your frontal on the glue, make sure you're not in a hurry. Make sure you take your time to actually arrange the frontal exactly where you want it to be. Don't press it down. Just arrange it. Put it on top of that glue. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to be, where you want it to be. Exactly how you want it to be. So before you press down, you're sure that, okay, this wig is where I want it to be. This is how I want it to look. So because you don't want too much product on that lace, you're going to use a makeup brush to apply the melting spray on the edges of the frontal to make sure that that edge, press firmly into the skin. I had a serious problem finding the perfect edge gel for edges because anyone I use always make it seem tacky or look, it just annoyed me. But you see this mixture, try it on your edges and let me know what you think. And if you want a tutorial on how to do your edges like a baddie, like a pro, drop in the comment section and I will drop a video for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.